25 degrees out. We've had a little snow. Time to saw some wood. Open up the shop. Have my protective cover. Here we are. A little cumbersome, but jeez, everything's falling as always. So today we're going to cut some wood to there. Specification. I'm constantly picking up things that fall over. Living in crowded quarters. Okay, we're getting ready to cut some pieces for the frame to hold the new aquarium, the 30-gallon. First of all, we bring some Edison out from the kitchen. Now, got a piece of 3/8 plywood. Cut it out to be 16 inches wide by wants to be 17 inches. So we'll do the deed here. That's going to be the backing for the bookshelf that goes underneath the aquarium frame. We're using up every little bit of space we can, doing something useful with it. Okay, there's 17 inches. We do it in Wisconsin when it's snowing and you live in a small living arrangement like I have. Let me pan around and show you the snow. Here's the Saturn, a little dusting on the Saturn, you know, and there's Mount Tom, which is right out my door here, and then this is down the driveway that John Bussell cleans out. Winter Wonderland.